What is up? How are you doing? I know it has been a while since I've been on your screen, but I'm so happy to be back. Guys, I am not gonna lie to you, mom burnout is seriously real, okay? When you're handling a lot of different things at the same time, it's so easy to let some areas like fall off, and that's unfortunately what happens with my YouTube channel sometimes. I get so busy with everything else that I just cannot create content like I want to. But today I'm back and we're going to be doing a bit of cleaning and also just talking about what it is to be a mom, tired, overwhelmed, exhausted, and all the above that comes with it. So yeah, let's get some cleaning motivation going. Let's dive straight into talking about mom burnout. Honestly, it's something that most of us kind of struggle with, but we don't really talk about it as much. I think there's this thing where you don't want to admit that life is overwhelming or motherhood is overwhelming because it might seem like you're lazy, or that you're just that you're not a good mom, because what do you mean motherhood is overwhelming, but it definitely can be, when you're juggling multiple things, whether it's work, household tasks, kids, and all different things. All of that can be overwhelming when you have to do that every single day. But we definitely don't talk about that as much. But I know for me, like, I definitely have been on that struggle bus. And I think mostly what happens, especially when my YouTube videos, is that I get so overwhelmed with everything that I just don't I'm like I can't really create content like when I'm overwhelmed, because I'm like I don't feel like I can be motivating when I'm, literally trying to keep my head on my shoulders. So I ended up not creating content. But wow, I read you guys' comments, and I still get comments from videos that I posted years ago, and even videos that I posted recently that, have really resonated with you guys. And I get comments, of how you guys kind of relate to the things that I share, and that just makes me want to post some more. So I really feel so encouraged when I get that. So I really thank you guys for commenting on my videos and really helping me know that I'm making an impact, that I'm helping you in some way. Because there was a time when I was looking for something like this to kind of help me and kind of just help me like know what to do, or even just feel like somebody relates to what I'm going through. So it really makes me happy that, I've found that community here on YouTube. But yeah, like my mom burnout is definitely real. One of the biggest things that I'm trying to do is to just slow down and to not put too many expectations on myself. And that's why I haven't really posted. I just decided, I'm not gonna worry about it. If my audience wants to watch my videos, then they'll watch it when I come back. And you guys have always done that, because this is not the first time I've been on a hiatus. But I've just kind of learned to just slow down and just allow myself to take things slow. And that's one of the goals that I'm, trying to kind of accomplish this year, is just not worry too much about things, and just learn that things will take the course that they're supposed to take. So worrying about them is not really going to change the outcome. It's just going to be stressful along the way. But yeah, that's one of the biggest things that I do when I'm struggling, when I feel like, oh my goodness, this is all just too much and I don't know how to handle it. Because if you don't know, I do have a blog where I write. I also, I also work full time. Well, yeah, full time. And then I'm a single mom. So all of those things definitely can be a lot sometimes. And so I'm just learning to take a break and just be easy on myself and not expect too much sometimes. Even though I do have major goals and dreams that I want to accomplish, I'm just learning to kind of take it slow and learn to take breaks so that I don't end up burning out and having to not post for months because of that.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run it on me, leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call
I'm still hand washing my dishes as per usual. So if you're one of those people who gets offended about people using water and washing dishes before they put them in the dishwasher, then don't get too offended, okay? I just like this. Like, I don't know, it's just become second nature right now for me to do it, because I feel like I've just developed such an OCD when it comes to my dishes, that I really want to make sure that they're completely clean, and the only way to do that is to wash them before I put them in the dishwasher. So yeah, just in case you were like wondering, or you're already starting to fume up about the fact that I'm wasting too much water, please don't. It's okay. The world is still gonna be okay. The water is gonna be recycled at some point, I hope, and we're gonna use it again. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the miles we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
You know, I've seen like so many comments on my previous videos of just being tired, like when your body is just, you know, you and your body can't really do the things that it used to do, maybe because of sickness or being overweight. And I definitely relate to that. Like, I am definitely in the heaviest that I've ever been, and it can definitely be a challenge to clean, but when your body is just not functioning at its best. I thank God that I've now taken steps to be better, and I'm already starting to feel even so much better. I'm really excited. I can't wait to share all of that with you guys. But I definitely understand, if you're in that situation where you just feel like you want to clean your house, you want to do all these different things, but you're just really tired. Your body is just really tired and not cooperating. Like, I definitely understand. And I hope that you can take some time to take care of you, do whatever that you need to do to make sure that your body is functioning in the best way that it possibly can. I always get comments. People are like, "Oh, if you lose some weight, you would feel so much better. You would be so much better." And I'm like, do you really think that I don't know that? Like, you really look at me and you think that I have not thought that maybe I need to lose some weight? um, but it's always funny when I get those comments, because it's just like it's so whatever that word is, where people don't really consider your feelings. I'm missing my words here, but no, it's just funny when I get comments like that. But it's like, I do know that, and I do realize that, believe me. But yeah, when you're tired, when your body's just exhausted, it can definitely be challenging to do a lot of things. So I am definitely taking steps to make sure that my body is functioning in the best possible way, for me and my kids. So I hope that you can do the same for you. If you're experiencing mom burnout, or if you're overwhelmed or tired, that you can take some time to take care of yourself, whether it's through prioritizing exercise and eating the right foods. Whatever it is that you need to do for you, do it, because you deserve it.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on, flashing up like disco lights, on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I danced all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets.
This video was a bit shorter than my regular cleaning videos, but I just want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, cleaning and sharing. I hope this video has been a little ray of sunshine in your day and reminded you that you're not alone in feeling overwhelmed at times. If you've got tips or stories that you want to share, please leave a comment below and share it with us, because we would love to read it. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll be seeing you in another video pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.